Ngatho cia mwanya gakunyita ugeni oro ringi guku ni kwa Mucene TV na ikone rita ria mbere ratuika wa kunyitana na ithui tuika wa kuhinyaga kiengere kau nigetha twekiraga thinema wakoragwo wi mundu wa mbere kumiamukira na muthenya wa umuthi turarora rugano ruria rurekikire muthenya wa ira kana ndeto iria cirekikire muthenya wa ira kuria mugunda wa family ino ya Kenyatta mugunda uria uikaine ta Northern City aria matararika Northern City guku ni kuria nyanake atumia undu mwe na ciana maraingire mugunda ucio na manambia guthukangia aria angi makiyaga mahiu ma family yo na muthenya wa umuthi mundu gwitwo Mwangi wairia ni yumiritie kiganga-ini na gakumithia giko kiu kirekekire muthenya wa ira kia magui na kuga ati Mugikuyu thaa ici ni ta mundu ukirogetwo ni heanite muharo na kauga ati taru mundu gwitwo Gideon Moi ndasapota mundu gwitwo Ruto no ndukona courage magithie kuhura Gideon Moi taru ndasapotaga mundu gwitwo Ruto akaheana muhano ngi kauga taru mundu gwitwo Evans Kidero ndasapotaga mundu gwitwo Raila Odinga no riu ndukuona kana ndukuona mera cigithie kuhura mundu gwitwo Evans Kidero taru ndasapotaga mundu gwitwo Raila Odinga ni ugite ati Gikuyu kirarwa na Gikuyu kiria kingi na kîrarîana ta magui. Kuma guku kwa Mucene TV ngagitwo Wandua wa Mwangi reke ngigutigia na gathinema ka mundu gwitwo Mwangi wairia ugithikiririe na wikirorere ndumiriri iria haikorirwo kirekereria muthenya wa umuthi.
Intra hatred tunauda jama kati yetu, ebu tukachome kwa Kenyatta, hiyo siku nyingine tukachome kwa Wairia, hiyo siku nyingine tutafanya hivyo mpaka sasa. Tutaweka kasumba ya mtu akikosewa ama hataki mwingine ama hafikiri kama yeye anaenda kwake anachoma. Hiyo ni shauri gani? Kikuyus, we must repent. And I said during campaigns, and people thought I was joking, there will be a curse in this nation of Gikuyu if we continue behaving the way we are behaving. We are not competing for any leadership. That issue is so heavy in people's hearts. It doesn't matter whether it's Kenyatta's farm, whether it's Ruto's farm, whether it's Wairia's farm, whether it's Mama Boga's farm. We cannot go that direction. And I want to beseech my people, the people of Gikuyu. We hate ourselves, we shall disappear. We have shown a very bad image to this nation that we can do that. You have people speaking Gikuyu and saying this goat is about 10,000. Someone is speaking Gikuyu coming from Kenyatta's farm, putting a goat here. Ai, hiyo ni korogwa. Hiyo tumerogwa haki. Na morogi ameenda bali. And I want now to speak frankly from my heart. And I want to speak about other communities. You have had no one going to Gideon's farm to do that kind of rubbish. Because Gideon held a different position. Even in other communities, when you go to Luola, there are people taking different positions. You're not finding people going to Kidero's farm because Kidero does not agree with Raila. We are not fighting that. In course, you are not fighting that. The only nonsense which is left within our community here. We start fighting each other. I don't know who we want to please. And I'm glad that the head of state was not here. And I want to say, in my very deep thinking, I want to tell you, William cannot subscribe to that. He has gone through hell. Those are people who are ganging up as criminals in order to create instability within our community, which is then going to infect the entire nation. We must sober up as a community. We must sober up as a nation. Fire is not now at crossfire, not close road. Fire is burning. Stones are being hurled. Bullets are being thrown. And tear gas is being released. As a nation, let me tell you the truth. It might be you are enjoying it, holding those meetings to plan, but we are at a crossfire. There are only three options. One, we reconcile within ourselves, see how to talk out this issue. If we don't do that, international interventions, the international diplomacy, all the way from closer home, Uganda and the neighboring East African nations, the African Union, the European Union, we must get a diplomatic intervention immediately. lastly, if we refuse all that and fight, then international criminal justice will set in. People will go to heck. I can assure you. No one can allow people to burn each other and kill each other. So, the immediate one, and I want to repeat, if the repeat of what is happening happens on Thursday, then option 1 of reconciliation will cross. International diplomats are supposed to be here then immediately. And if we don't listen to anybody, then international criminal justice, if you have done things to injure the public, then you go and face justice outside, because we can't have rogue people, rogue readers, because we are going to create a rogue nation. That is my very hard position.